Hello students, I'm Mrs. Lata Shinde. Today we will learn one interesting topic in English, Standard 1. Let us start. Children, our today's topic is I want to fix. Children, look at the picture very carefully. What can you see in the picture? This is a picture of a clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. You know why do you use the clock? Yes, we come to know the time. Yes or no? So this is a wall clock. Children, look at this picture carefully. This is again a picture of a watch. But this is a different watch. Yes or no? This is a wrist watch. We all are wearing this watch on our wrist. So this is another type of a watch, wrist watch. It is very easily carried anywhere. Yes or no? So this is a wrist watch. Children, see this picture. This is a picture of a zip, ZIP zip. As you can see in the first picture, the zip is open. And in the second picture, you can see the zip is closed. Children, you are coming across many things in everyday's life where you use this zip. School bag, folder, files, even your shirt or pants sometimes. Yes or no? So this is a zip, ZIP zip. Now children, let us start our lesson. The name of our lesson is I want to fix. I will read the lesson first, then I will explain you what is there in the lesson. In the morning, I want to fix my watch. It does not tell time. It is stuck at 0. It ticks but does not move. In the afternoon, I want to fix my zip. It does not close my bag. It is stuck in one place. It does not close. Now children, you can see in this lesson, the boy wants to fix certain things. So, in the morning, first he wants to fix his watch. You can call it as a watch or a clock. It is the same. The boy is fixing his watch because it does not tell the time. You know children, why do we use the watch? We use watch to see the time. Yes or no? I have explained you already. There are different types of watch now available. Yes or no? Now we are having digital watch. We are having many different watch, like which watch we are hanging on the wall, smart watch. Yes or no? So many different types are also available. Okay, and there are many. But in this lesson, we are seeing the boy is not able to see the proper time because the watch is not fixed. Certain times it happens, no children? Sometimes your watch, the battery is not working or there is some damage to the watch. So that's why it is not working properly and not showing the correct time. It is stuck at 0. Stuck means it is not moving. The hands of the watch are not moving. You know, the sound is very slow, that the sound of tick tick is not heard. But it is going on. The watch is moving continuously. And when it is not moving, when it is stuck, that means there is something problem in the watch. Maybe the battery problem or the watch having some damage. So what you have to do at that time, children? That time you have to repair it, okay, or put the battery, different battery you have to put it, okay children. So it ticks but does not move. Sometimes the hands are not showing the correct time, it is not going on properly, okay, so you have to give it for repairing, okay. So next, in the afternoon, again the boy want to fix his zip because it is not closing its bag. His bag is not able to close, okay. Sometimes it happens, you are in hurry and you are able to do the, yes, you are not able to do it very fast, yes or no, and that time only it gets stuck somewhere and the zip is not closing, so bag is open. So the boy again wants to fix the zip of the bag because it is also stuck and it is not closing. So children, in this lesson we have seen the boy want to see fix two things, that is a watch or a clock, and second is the zip. Children, let's see the new words from the lesson. First word is watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. 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 Children, you can see here T is silent in this word. So the pronunciation is watch. Okay. Then the second word is ticks. T-I-C-K-S. Ticks. 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 And third word is stuck. 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 S-T-U-C-K. Stuck. And the last word is zip. 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 Z-I-P. Zip. So children, these all are the new words from this lesson. Now, let's see that new words, their meanings and their sentence. So, first sentence is stuck. First word stuck means not able to move. What is the meaning of stuck? Not able to move. So, the sentence is the car got stuck in the mud. Now children, as you all can see in the picture, the car got stuck in the mud. Means the car is not able to move because there is lot of mud. Okay, so you know now the meaning of stuck. Means not able to move. Okay. Children, look at these two pictures carefully. What can you see or what can you come to know from this picture? You can see in the first picture, the boy, his toy is not fixed. Okay, his toy has broken. And in the second picture, you can see the boy has fixed his toy. Fix means to repair or to put something firmly in place. Like you can see in the first picture, the wheels, the batteries, so many things. Even when you go to garage for repairing your cars, that time also you can see the mechanic do all the repairing work of your car. Yes or no? So, repairing or fix means to put something firmly in a place, as you can see in the second picture. Okay. So, let's see a sentence for it. Sentence is, let me fix my broken toy. Let me fix my broken toy. In this, we will see one activity. Let's see what is the activity. Fill in the blanks with correct letters. Now children, Here we have certain words and one letter from these words are not given. So you have to put it in correct letter and complete the word. So first one is MORNING, morning. Second one PLAC, place. Third one CLOSE, close. And fourth one WATCH, watch. So morning, place, close and watch. Now children, let's see your homework for today. What is your homework? Fill in the blanks with correct words. Now we will see. I want to dash my watch. So the answer is fix. I want to fix my watch. Second one, it ticks but does not dash. Move. It ticks but does not move. Third one, it is dash in one place. It is stuck in one place. Children, let's see the next question. Write opposite words. So first one is CLOSE, close. Close. And the answer is open. 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 Second one, ONE, one. ONE, one. And the answer is many. The opposite word is many. Many. Then third word is fix. FIX, fix. And the opposite word is unfix. Fix. Thank you students. I hope so you all have understood the lesson.